What is going on YouTube? So today I'm going to make a video on point of view on driving that guy. That is a full bolt-on 135 6-speed N54 stock turbos. It's literally got every bolt-on you can do. VSR, oh, it's all quality parts, all VSRF, and you know, whatever.
I'm gay.
Damn it, I was never recording. So, yeah. So the car is on 93. It's MHD Stage 2 Plus. Normally we run an E-Tune, E50 mix or E60 mix, which is roughly, in this car we run 8 gallons, either 8 or 9 gallons of D, and then the rest 93. On the pump tune, on the E-Tune, it makes 444 516. It shouldn't be too much less, but I would imagine it's probably at least 40 horsepower less. But this is the car. There's no cameras here, but I really don't care. You guys ready for this one?
Oh yeah.
Chris, if you're watching this video, I'm sorry. Two-step and launch. About 90 miles an hour, if you guys couldn't see that. This thing is a rocket ship, man. Holy crap, I freaking love it. I think the thing I love most about this car is how subtle it is. I mean, I showed you the video. It's been in other videos. I've showed you a quick glimpse, you know, when I started this video. But it doesn't look like much. I mean, you know, it's got arcades, which right now I'm on stock wheels up front because we got a little too happy at H2O with the newly installed line lock that we did right before we left for H2O. So we got a little carried away and went through 2 sets of tires. But you know, we're on federal RSRRs in the rear. 275, I think 275 40 18s. We have Hoosiers for it when we go to tracks and things. This car does a lot of track racing, drag racing, quarter miles, things like that. But I mean, this thing is just fantastic to drive. It's got RTD shifter, which honestly, if you have any N54 car, honestly any fast BMW in general, you should get something similar to this, because we all know that BMW shifters, OE shifters, are trash. Okay, let's be real. I don't care if they're rebuilt. I don't care if they're made of gold. I don't care what you have to say. They're junk. Okay, so upgrading a shifter should be number one in anybody's book if you have something moderately fast. That's our shop. That's Euro Garbage Garage headquarters over there. Biggest problem with these 135s is traction. Everybody has traction issues. There is a 15-inch conversion that you can do for the rear, so you can fit smaller wheels and tires. We haven't done that yet. I hope you guys can hear all these fantastic noises. These noises are fantastic. Hear the burble. We're going to do a quick rolling anti-lag as soon as traffic is out of the way. Alright. Rolling anti-lag. That was like 90 miles an hour. This thing will burble for days. Missed a turn. Good thing we live in the middle of nowhere and I can back up in the middle of the road. This thing literally just takes anything you could throw at it. I mean, it really is the ultimate driving machine. And I know that's super cliche, but it's the truth. So, might as well talk to you guys and let you know what is going on with the car. So this is probably going to be the last week or two. I enjoy it. We enjoy it. Anybody enjoys it. It is getting ripped apart soon. We're gonna do whatever. We have Hydra Performance, twin turbo kit. It's everything. Prototype. That's the word I was looking for. It's their first run at N54 turbos. I don't think anybody has filmed an install. I don't think anybody has really done any kind of review or anything on them yet, so I'm pretty sure we're going to be the first people to do that. We're also going to do X-Clutch twin disc. We're doing double 450 fuel pumps. We are doing we're going to do a bunch of maintenance and replace the rear main seal and a bunch of other gaskets while we're in there. Install a flex fuel kit. That way we don't have to test E. We don't have to, guess and do whatever with that, because we all know how sketchy E can be. Gas stations like to lie. Freaking liars. there's a lot going on with this car. Our goal is 700 wheel, which should be out of control. I couldn't even imagine this car 700. I mean, it's already sketchy enough sometimes. Likes to kick out on third gear. If you do a third gear pull, it loves to kick out on you occasionally, and that can get sketchy. Yeah. So that is it for this video. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, tell your friends, any of the N54 community. Feel free to share the videos. Like I said, we got Hydra Performance prototypes. Those are going to go in here very shortly, so stay tuned for that video. Check out my other videos, and have a good day. Peace.